show. Hope you all are doing great. Today we are going to see how to make this mandala. But before that, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified. I've taken two 12-inch dowels and tied them in my mandala tool, and then I'm going to tie them at the center with this green yarn. Now I'm going to go around all the four sides to make a square. If you want to know how I made this mandala tool, you can click the link coming on the right hand side of the screen, or you can later check it in my description box. I'll mention it there. Now I made another square with two more dowels, 12-inch, and then I'm going to tie all of them together to form a 8-pointed mandala. And with the same thread, I'm going to go around all the sides, all the 8 sides, to form an octagon. And this will also tie the two squares together. Now this is completed, so I've taken out from the tool. Now I'm going to spin around each dowel with the same yarn till the mark. So I have marked each dowel 6 cm from the end. So I will spin the yarn till that mark and then tie a knot. This way I'll complete all the other dowels. So this is how it looks now. Now I'm taking a pink yarn, and this is how I'll make the design. So I'll go inside that and then take a turn, come to the next one. You observe very carefully here, you will know how I make it. So I put it inside and pull the yarn from inside, and then stretch it to the next dowel, tie, go around once, then come here, go around twice. Now this going around twice will be only for the first time. From next time I'll just go around once. Here. So I'll go around once and I'll complete this. So this is how it looks now. Now the same thing I will do with a grey yarn. This is a dark grey color. I know it looks black here, but this is a dark grey color. So I'll complete this with the grey. And now for the remaining dowels, I will go doing the same technique, but this time I will first go from above the first time, and then from the below. I'll show you how. So you can see I have gone above the design, first triangle, and then I'll take it out from here, make a round, and then go down to come to the next dowel. So this time I'm going down. So once up and then down. So again up, from up I'll go. Follow the same technique. Go around the next dowel. And then I'm going to go down and pull the yarn from below the design and tie on the next one. So now I've completed the pink one. Same way I will go around with the grey one. We'll complete this also. Now I'm going to border all of them with the green color so that the design is highlighted. So the same technique, and I will go around all of them. This will continue same. Now I've taken the pink again and I'll go around all the dowels to make an octagon, and this will be very thick one. So I have made around 18 rounds, and then 2 times with the black dark gray color, and I'll also cover the portion that is left out in the towel with the dark gray color. I'll also make a hanging hook for the mandala to hang. Now all these designs I have done, I'll show you how I made this. So I went through the last 2 yarn, pink yarn, and then every time I'll reduce one from the top and one from the down, and so it will go descending order. For 6 times I'll do that, and then it will go ascending. So every time I'm increasing 2 round of yarns, and then when I'm increasing, then I'm increasing just 2 rounds of yarn. So this is how it will look. And then I'll tie a soft knot at the back. I won't pull it too much. So that's it for today. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you do, hit the thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And please do comment your feedback. Thank you so much.